Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy Chinese Characters Learning Course. In this video, we are going to learn the Chinese characters about the 12 Chinese zodiac animals. These are the 12 characters which represent the 12 Chinese zodiac signs. At first sight, you are overwhelmed and you will say, wow, look at all these characters and there are so many strokes and I don't know where to start. And they do not make any sense to you. Well, don't be panic. And at the end of this video, you will be able to read these Chinese characters and will also learn some amazing stories behind these characters. Well, let's start with the first one. This character is pictographic, which means it looks very much like the picture it represents. Well, how about this? So this is the picture of an animal. So based on this picture, we have our very ancient original character about this. So can you guess? Yes, this is a mouse or a rat. It has a pointed mouth and sharp teeth, and these are the legs, and this is the tail. And these little dots actually are the leftover foods. So it's very vivid. And based on this, and gradually this character changed into the present shape. It's pronounced 鼠, 鼠. Actually, it has two parts. The upper part represents the head of the rat, and this lower part, a lot of dots and hooks indicating the tail and also the hair of this animal. So 鼠, 鼠. And the next one is much simpler. It has less strokes. Can you imagine an animal based on this character? Well, it comes from this. So this is the head of an ox. Yes, so these are the horns and eyes. And this character is also a pictographic and it represents the head of the ox. So the very original and ancient character is like this, and based on this, we try to simplify this and until to the present shape. It is pronounced 牛, 牛. If you have studied the Chinese characters, you might say there is a cross inside this character. Actually, when we write it, we start with the top left part, and then this 横, and this, and then a vertical line like this. So this is 牛. 牛. And then how about this one? Any image in your mind? It looks like this character is so powerful and it comes from the image of this animal. Yes, so that is the tiger. And this character is also pictographic. So you can see this is the head, these are the legs. Look at all these stripes. It really stands out, indicating something unique about the tiger. So from this original ancient one, it goes all the way to the present one, which is pronounced 虎, 虎. When you try to learn to write or remember this character, we can always start from the top and outside part. So this one is the top part. It looks like a 上, top, right? But there is a hook. And also there is a diagonal line, 撇. And then you put this part. So this is more like a 7, 七. And the last part is 几, how many, that question word. So this 3 part, and it helps you to remember how to write. Well, how about this character? Well, based on the ideas of the previous characters, You might say, oh, okay, this part might be the head or this part might be the tail. Yes, look at this picture. So this is a rabbit. And this character is also a pictographic. And based on this picture, we have the most Asian original like this. So we have the head and the ear and the legs and the tail. And it's pronounced tu. So we can say this top part is the head part. And this is the body. And these two strokes are the legs. And this little dot is the very short tail of the rabbit or the bunny. So, tu. And next comes this character. This is also a pictographic and it's based on the picture of, yes, this is a dragon. So based on this, we have this very original and Asian Chinese character. You look at the eye, look at the head with the horn, and these are the legs and the scales. And it's pronounced long. And up to now, maybe you will say, oh, I know some ideas. So these strokes is more about the legs. Here, this little dot is on the top, so it's indicating the eye of the dragon. And in the previous rabbit too, it is down here, so that is the tail. So here is the dot. So 龙, the dragon. Well, look at this character. It is also a pictographic. And let's see what kind of animal it looks like. It is this animal, which means the snake. This is the original character for snake, and gradually it comes like this, the present character. Where you might notice only this right part looks or resembles the original one, and this left part actually is a radical, this 虫 radical. So any character with this radical indicating the characters belong to this kind of category, they share the same radical. And then add another part indicating its pronunciation or the exact meaning of this animal. So 蛇. Well, so much for the first 6 characters about the Chinese 12 zodiac signs. And we'll continue next time. If you find this video helpful, please like, forward, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. 谢谢，再见。